everybody watching this video. Today I want to talk about replacing old equipment for new equipment, just for a minute here. What we have, essentially, starting with the pump, is a 3/4 horsepower state right pump. We have a WM6, we have 2 Kinetico units. Now Kinetico is the brand of the valve, so we have 2 Kinetico valves, and we have a softener here, carbon filter here. The softener is a metered valve, regenerates with salt. Carbon is a metered valve, regenerates with hydrogen peroxide. The problem with this equipment is that only certified dealers that are certified with Kinetico can replace these specific valves or work on the valve. So if any part of this valve breaks, you can only get certified companies to come out and fix it. Not that that's a bad thing, but it just makes it difficult for any other water company that doesn't have the certification with these dealers, as these companies only work with 1 dealer per region. So we're going to be gutting this equipment because of one main reason. The amount of people living in the house is too much demand for these size tanks. Now you see 4 tanks, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 units, 1, 2. But at any given time, only 1 tank per unit is running. So only this tank is running and this tank is running. When they regenerate, they switch tanks. So it goes to this tank and this tank. The problem is that this tank is a 3/4 cubic foot unit. It can only handle a max, as a softener, a max of 4 to 5 gallons per minute. Anybody that has more than 2 people in your house, even 2 people, even 1 person will be running more than 4 gallons a minute at any given time. So it's a very undersized equipment. So we're going to be gutting this out and putting new stuff in. So stay tuned for the next video to see what it looks like.